Well, time to get back on with the FN2. Let's get this induction kit fitted, see if we can make some noises. Hello, Jason. Big box parts. Let's do this. Or when I say let's do this, what I mean is Jason's going to do this. What? Not a lot. What's up with you?
What are you taking photos for? What are you taking videos for?
Let's see how far you're getting.
It's not very.
It's coming along now. We have soldered some connectors up. When I say we, I actually mean I. I have done the soldering on this, so that will probably be the bit that fails. But yeah, I did a bit. Round of applause. Cue a round of applause sound effect.
Oh.
Well, it's on.
Oh.
That's it.
Oh.
Replaced the coolant line. That's in the kit, which I wasn't aware of, but it is in the kit. So, so yeah, there it's on. So it's time to take her outside and fire her up and see what she sounds like.
Oh.
After that, I think the latter part of this video will be seeing what it sounds like on the dyno. So we'll get some power figures out of it. Yeah, good stuff. Me, but the last time this was on the dyno was actually before it had its Jap speed manifold, so I've sort of messed my own video up there because the gains are not going to be just the induction kit. The gains of the dyno will be the 4-to-1 manifold and the induction kit, but such is life. Yeah, this is the last time that it was ran on the dyno, just after we fitted a catback. And if you remember in the previous videos, we said that the catback actually didn't make a difference, which is why we went for the 4-to-1 manifold. But it lasts out at 203 brake. So I'm hoping with the Jap speed manifold and the induction kit, we should see some gains now. I'd like to see 10 brake horsepower, but I think that's really, really wishful thinking. But let's see what Jason, what are you doing to it?
Nothing.
Why is it green?
You painted it.
Championship green edition. That looks mad, don't it? Wow. Okay, just a quick one. Interesting side effect to the CPL induction kit is I'm actually getting a clear 3 miles per gallon better on the same journey that I do every day. So normally I'm getting around 29.6, 29.7, and we're getting 33 well, that says 33.4 there. So yeah, to me that proves the efficiency of the intake, that it's better flowing and it's better for the car. So hopefully that's also going to prove it's going to make some power. But yeah, miles per gallon's gone up. I'm really happy with that. So the time has come. Back on the dyno. Easy, Rich. Okay, so like I said, the last time it was on the dyno was before we fitted the Jap speed manifold and the CPL big bore induction kit. So they're the modifications since. So I'm hoping for a bit of power. Let's find out. After we're up by 10 wheel horsepower at that section there that's highlighted, and again further on, so the blue line is to date. We're up on power all the way across, so really happy with that. So those are good mods. Next up is to get this car mapped, I think. So let's print off. So we're currently sat at 209 brake. Okay.